Squish here. Thank you for the subscribers and likes and the views. And just to let you know, if you watched the whole video, at the end I got some special news. So here today we got Mini Squish.
Hi guys.
And today we're gonna do a slime video. So let's get into it. Today we got this green slime. It's really cool. Let me get my plate over here. Alright, there we go. So you can tell this actually came out of Stress Toy. So it's really neon green and it's really good to squish. I like it. So let's hold on, guys. Let's take a little bit of it and stick it in my bowl. That's for mixing. Let's put this guy right back in his container and set him over there. Today, I just got this yesterday. We got this other green slime. It's almost like barrel slime. I feel it come out of here, guys. So there it is. And we got this guy. Again, I thought I'd just bring him out. Let's see if he'll eat this green slime. Yep, he likes that green slime. He's like, let me have some more. Give it to me. And there we go, guys. I didn't like that too much. And we'll just get him over here. And we're gonna put this, we're gonna take some of this, tiny bit of this, and we're gonna put him in my bowl. We're gonna put the rest right back in here. Hold on, guys. So remember, if you wait till the end, there's a special surprise. Next up, we got this slime I made. I don't think it was really too successful, but it looks almost like a block slime. It ain't really that stretchy. It's not really, it's pokey. You know, it had glitter in it, but it's really cool. So let's put some of this in my bowl. Put the rest back into this container. Set him over there. Next up, I got this slime. I had it for a while, so it blocked up. And it's really hard. Well, it's wet. It just won't come out of its form. See, guys? I can't even mush that. So let's take some. put in the bowl. We got this bale slime. It's black. It's really cool. Here, let's see if this guy will eat it. Ooh, yes, I like it. Give me more. Yep, he eats it. Oh, no, I don't like it. Oh. Alright, so he eats it. So let's put a little bit in this bowl. And we'll put the rest of this right back in its container if it'll let me grab it. Alright guys. This I don't really want to pour out, but it's really sticky. Like, I can't even explain how sticky it is. So let's just grab some and put it in my bowl. Hold on guys. Alright, next up, we got this other bale slime. But this stuff, I think, gone bad because it's really sticky. So, let's get some, I can't even pick that up. And put it in my slime bowl. Alright. So yeah, that's really sticky. So far, this is my bowl. So, let me put this guy over there. Next up is it's this. Now I tried to fix this a little bit. It didn't really work. So let me get some of this, put it in my bowl. Hold on guys. And hold on guys, sorry. So put the this ain't the good this ain't the special surprise. But Mini Squish is here with us. So I my last slime actually, hold on guys. Let me do this. I'm not gonna make it for me. So this is what we found in that dumpling type thing. I'm not gonna put any in that bowl because one of my friends wants it. So let's put this guy back in his bag. Now, the best part is Jasmine, well, Mini Squish is going to do the last one.
Mini Squish here, and I will be opening the slime. This pink slime, oh god, is very breakable, not very good, not very stretchy either. Ah! It breaks very easily, so let's just put some of the slime inside Mr. Squishy's bowl.
Alright, let me clear some of this stuff off my table. And we'll see. Yeah, we'll move this way. Alright. Now, this is the bowl. And it's actually a little pretty slime. That's a good looking slime. Now, we'll put that aside. Now, this is the special surprise. So, I'm having a giveaway with this little whale. I got it for off Wish. It's a slow risen squishy, and all you have to do is say I would like it and put the name you want. Put your first name and I'll contact you through YouTube. So that's it, guys. Have a nice day.